I love that story of the robin, how it carries the sun in its chest and it brings light to darkness and it brings all this like good new stuff forward. That's how we came up with the name, What the Robins Whisper, as a name for the procession. So the whole idea of it is to do it during the spring equinox when the spring's coming in and all that new growth and all that new energy is coming in. And we're gonna try to channel that in a good way.
Really talented.
We got Dennis here leading the whole thing.
Good turnout. Good day, good weather. Awesome. I knew I wanted to pursue an art career, but then one day I saw the guy and he was kind of leaning over this block and he's like carving it. I'm like, man, what is he doing, you know? And he inks up this block and he puts a piece of paper on it, he cranks it through the press and then he lifts it up. And it was like opening a present. It's like, wow, look at that, you know? And it looked like everything I was into growing up. It looked like all the punk rock show flyers. It had that harsh kind of graphic, raw image, right? Which I loved. So I was hooked. Ended up doing tons of graphics. So I was like, well, you know, maybe I could just print like a bunch of patterns and cover some sculpture with it. And then it went into, you know, making masks. I was like, ooh, what if I make like masks and people could wear them? So it evolved into making puppets, big movable sculptures. And I'm like, well, you know, I don't want them sitting in the room. I want them like running down the streets. And so it kind of evolved into doing procession so many people could participate in it. The four puppets, which is an owl, vulture, wolf, and robin.
What does the robin whisper as it tilts its head to the ground? Listen, listen, listen.
And we have a representative of the youth.
Remember, forgiveness must be given to ourselves and others for this new change to happen.
They're going to come forward and say what they would like to see brought in with the new spring.
We ask the spring for wisdom, social change towards education and healthcare, revitalization.
We ask the spring to bring protection for the vulnerable and for those who step up and engage community.
We ask the spring for
I'm
healing
saying, hey, what do you want to see?
and retire the complacency of the winter. And let's remember, destruction and change is a form of creation.
Thank you for being here. Thank you, Spring. Thank you, Creator, for all the new right, love, healing, protection, support, and peace that we all need. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Woo!